Let's get into it. We are going to look at Palantir because, oh boy, did it do good today. Okay, Palantir was up over 14% today. It did good. We're going to talk about it, and we're going to talk about the news about Palantir. All right, we're going to go into the news. Let's start with it right now. Palantir is going to go into the S&P 500. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. This is great. When is it happening? Okay, before the start of trading on September 23rd. Okay? So this is really good. So this is why there's so much, like getting this going on. Let's go over some of the criteria that's needed for a stock to go into the S&P 500. So right here, the market cap has to be at least 15 billion, right? 15.5 billion. Be highly liquid, okay? A public float of at least 10% of its shares outstanding, and the company must also be profitable in its most recent quarter's earnings, okay? And the sum of its trailing four consecutive quarter earnings must be positive. Yes, yes, yes. So let's see. How is Palantir doing? This chart looks good. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the tippy top though. Okay, so we went up to $34.60. I was trading this today. Everybody, I think, who was trading this made money day trading. Okay, so but as you can see, all right, every time we came to this kind of area of price action, okay, sold. So we're here right now. So we're up high. You have to be careful here. Look, you're up high. So getting it up high, I mean, you're at the top of this channel. So anything buying lower. What am I talking about? What levels am I talking about? Okay, so things around here, $30. All right, $30 because now before we even come to this, see this little candle wick? Okay, boom, resistance, right? Resistance here. But when we came back, see this one? We hit it and we came up. So support. Here, all these days, support. Okay, so if Palantir falls back into this price range of $30, you should have some nice support. It should be a buying opportunity there. Wanted to make sure you knew that. Okay, I just drew a quick rectangle right there so you see. Okay, this area of price, anything within here, so like $29, $31, it should be some nice support. Because see how the wicks come below, right? So it's not ever like a solid number, like, oh, if it goes just below 30. No, anything in here, hopefully it would just go back up like that. Catch support and go back up above this 50-day moving average. Falling below, I don't know, because we have to see what's happening with the market, the whole economy, if that is happening. Let's move on to this because I want to show you this part because, okay, what's happening with the S&P. This is the SPY, it tracks the S&P, right? So you see how the SPY had went up, right? But then you see this red candle, all right? Came down and we're right here. We did not a lot of movement there. So is the SPY trying to come downward to touch this bottom channel here? So, and then same thing with the Qs, all right? I'm showing you that because, hold on, let me close this. Same thing, went down. So is this going to come down to here? If it falls below that, that's a whole nother problem. So since the market may be trying to come down, this is why you have to say, okay, well, what is Palantir doing? Is it going to keep going? Is it going to just keep going up like this, keep going up from here? Or will it finally do what the market is doing and come down a little? So I don't know. I want to make sure we point that out. Now, something else I wanted to make sure you knew is this date down here for September 23rd. Okay, so going up to this date, I'm assuming Palantir will nicely keep riding up. I don't know how fast, but going in an upward trend, more or less. It could sell off because of the market, but still trying to push upward to this date. But this date, that's when it could definitely sell. It could sell off. People might sell. That happens very frequently, okay? A lot of people are already thinking that. They're thinking, okay, it'll trend upward to this date, but when this comes, then the stock may go down as people take profits, okay, into that event. So they may sell that event, okay? So be cautious of that. I just wanted to shout that out. Now, if Palantir stays within this channel that is forming, right? it coming down here, buying on this level, okay? So if we come down here, buying on this kind of level, $31 here, that would be great, okay? That would also be great. It's a little lower than this, but so realize that, okay? I just wanted to make a quick video and show you that for Palantir. Okay, stay green, have fun, and be careful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.